Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting one playable file into Soundpad immediately. First, make sure Soundpad is set as your recording or output device in your voice app. This ensures audio routes correctly. Next, pick a clean MP3 or WAV. Lower noise saves time later. Then drag and drop or use import to add it to the library and place it in a named folder for fast recall. Once done, assign a default playback option so you can test without extra clicks. Now you refine how the sound behaves during use. Open the editor to trim silence, normalize levels, and add short fades so transitions sound professional. This prevents clipping and sudden jumps. Then assign a hotkey, pick a modifier combo to avoid conflicts. After that, choose playback mode. Loop for ambience, play once for stingers, or restart on press if you need repeatable impact. Make sure to test in your voice, app so timing, and volume match conversation. Finish by running a full test in a live call or recording so you hear how sounds mix with your voice. Tweak clip volume and add a small delay if timing feels off, because latency varies by app and device. Save your profile and export a backup of library and hotkeys so you recover quickly. If you get silence, check that Soundpad is selected as the input or output in the voice app, confirm the app isn't muted, and verify microphone permissions. That's the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.